Okay, hi guys. Assalamualaikum. Selamat datang ke Ini Slimming Channel. So, hari ini aku nak main game The Midnight Bus. Bus tengah malam. Aku tak tahu benda ni apa. Ni. Sama ada... Oh, ni salji ni. Oh, salji. Sorry, aku ingatkan alam semesta. Alam semesta. Okay, sekejap aku tengok setting dulu. Okay, setting yang biasa. By the way, game ni aku dapat dekat HIO lagi. Okay, biasa short horror. Okay, kita nak ambil feel seram. Okay, jom kita main. Oh, 12 pagi. Ya Allah, kecil tulisan Mi. Sound dia memang kuat. Aku dah cuba slowkan. Surprise betul lah. Apa tu? Okay. Brightness aku pun dah ini paling tinggi punya brightness. Tapi game untuk pening ni agak gelap. Okay. So dia suruh aku berjalan dulu. F. Oh, duduk. Oh, okey. Okay, kita bangun balik. Okay, game ni untuk permulaan aku rasa macam kurang sensitif sikit lah dia punya pergerakan mouse, pergerakan view. Mati dulu. Okay, sabar. Ceng. Radio ke ni? Oh, tak ada apa. Okay, radio tak berfungsi. Right here. Kau jalan ke tu? What a piece of junk. It's a miracle there's still light. Oh, maksudnya dia tutup enjin lah. So driver bus tak ada. Tak tahu dia pergi mana. Ini apa dah? Kenapa kat lampu? Pintu tutup. Bukan kat sana ke? Okay, tak apalah. Jom. Itu dia. Pergunungan Caucasus. Tak adalah, aku tak tahu kat mana juga ni. Hello, driver bus. Tengah-tengah sejuk ni dah ada suara pelik-pelik. Would be dangerous. Toh. Would be dangerous. Would be dangerous. Dah tu. Nak pergi mana tu? Masuk bas balik. Okay. So close the door. Okay. Sudah. Dia main ketuk-ketuk lah. What the hell am I? Dalam bas. Maybe looking through the window. Jangan laju sangat subtitle. Subtitle pada. tengok ni. Ni crouch pun tak boleh ni. Ya. Tak. Oh, tak nak keluar. Tak nak find. Tapi masalah dia, siapa yang ketuk pintu tu? Kedengaran seperti ketukan dia. Nak tengok apa? Aku pun tak nampak. Oh. So, Craftsy. Apa tu? Okey, kat sini. Yes, look. Lain kali jangan bagi kecil sangat. Yes lah, dah tadi kau nak tengok sangat. I think it says Balmore City. Dah tengok dah. Okay, good. Dengar tak nafas dia? Cuak betul member tu. Ya Allah. Buatnya dia ketuk. Okay. Gajat aku. Aduh.
Open up. I'm freezing my nuts off.
Okay.
Does it matter? Open up and we'll talk inside.
Okay lah, buka lah.
Can't you see? We're stuck. Something's wrong with the radio. I was looking for help.
Something wrong with the radio. Oh, little radio. Okay.
Why all the questions? You gonna let me in or what?
Mati kesukaan brother ni. Finish. Nothing to do. Kau boleh buka. I don't want to go out. Itulah mana aku nak buka ni. Apa tu? Coming out from the bus. Oh, atas ni ada benda. Oi, benda tu. Apa tu? Oi, apa tu? Oi. Aku nampak sikit-sikit macam ada merangkak ke bawah tau. Biasa orang merangkak ke atas. What the hell was that? Tak tahu. Bila of light. Okay. Oh, munda mandi pun penat weh.
Hey man, do you copy? Over. George, do you hear me? Over.
Allah, siapa pula Josh ni?
Where are you, man? You're late. There's a snowstorm coming and you're the only one on the road. Okay. Will you hurry up? We already want to close the station.
Hello? Can you hear me?
You're not George. Who are you? And where's George?
Saya Slim. Tak tahu? I need help. I'm stuck on this bus. Josh gotta be driver, right?
Dude, what went down? And where's George?
Tahu. Jalopy was crashed and driver was crashed.
It doesn't make sense. George wouldn't get rid of his old bus just like that. Are you alone? No other passengers with you?
So I think.
What do you mean? You think?
There's something lurking here.
Okay. Calm down a bit. Maybe the situation has clouded your mind. Can you pinpoint where you're at? Do you see anything you can recognize?
Woolmore.
Culver City? What the hell are you doing there?
Manalah kita tahu.
Okay, got it. I'll try to round up some help.
Habis. apa tu? Oi. Ui, putihnya mata dia. Mata putih, badan hitam. Tahu. Kau ketuk ke? Sabar sekejap. Aku nak buka, tak boleh ni. I don't want to go out. Dah tahu. Dia buat apa lah? Tengok saja itu. Angkat ke bawah pula. I'm not crazy. Doesn't work. Ini pun doesn't work. Yes. So memang kat sini kita tengok-tengok je lah rasanya. Pandang. Tak ada. Dia bunyi apa tu? Ya Allah, dia bunyi apa? Apa tu? Sekarang aku lupa pandang. Dia bunyi apa? Ketukan tak lagi, memang tak stop lagi. Kita jalan. Okay, kat mana aku nak apa tu? Hello? Aduh. Ya Allah. Betul dah. Nak buka. Aduh. Ui, kasar main. That thing gone. Tak tahu dong.
Open up. Let me in.
Tunggu tadi lag lah.
You don't understand. I just need you to let me in to see if we can fix this thing and get out of here.
Why did you leave?
Like I said, I was trying to find help. Can you open up already?
Banyak sungguh Fian. Banyak sungguh. Yes, I'm going to open. No, I better ask his name. Betul. Tanya nama dia.
What did the guy on the radio say?
What is your name?
Ain't got time for this.
His name is Johnson. Ui. Kan? Macam ngamuk. Tak tahu kenapa. What's up with that guy? Nipu. Soalan dia, mana driver kita? Driver kita driver bus. Driver kita buat apa? Distress. Kita banyak tanya apa benda ni? Apa benda ni? Tiang saja. Duduk je lah. Kan? It's like a horror game. Yeah, you're right. Ya Allah. Tu dia. Best dah. Tak boleh move. Dah. Allah. Slowkan sikit. Baiklah. Boleh tu. Hi.
Hey, buddy. Do you copy? Over. Do you hear me? Over.
Sound dia memang really kuat. Aku dah cuba slow kan, tapi memang kuat. Aku slow sangat tak dengar nanti. So jom kita bangun. Rasa minyak tadi tu. Apa? Doesn't work juga. Okay, tak nak go out. Okay, fine. Nak go out dah. So, aku kena buat apa pula lah. It's locked. Lepas tu, duduk balik. Duduk lah. mandi saja kita game ni. Tapi muzik dia kind of seram weh. Serius. Yelah satunya sebab kuat kan. Cumanya bila gelap kat sini, kita jadi macam tak nampak, yang tak tahu apa yang kita nak buat lepas ni. Buka apa? Tak bagi. Macam ni. Tak nak go out. So kena mata ni. Tak ada. Sini. Hello, aku nak buat apa kat sini? Hello. Tengok lagi. Reload. Oh dah. Aku tak tahu nak interact dengan apa lagi dah. Ini yang tak jalan, itu pun tak jalan. Okay.
Keep calm. Help is on the way.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, there's another driver out there. He said the wind's crazy strong, so he'll want to get to you as close as he can, and you'll have to walk to him.
Sudah. Takkan berada.
He'll signal you with a flashlight, so keep your eyes peeled.
Dia ada signal. Okay.
I've got to go. I hope you reach it.
Okay, terima kasih. Okay. Dia akan bagi signal dengan lampu kan, dan dia berjalan kan. Then how long should I wait? Tunggulah sampai dia sampai, ya. Betul. Astagfirullahalazim. Apa itu? Mana? Get out of here. I'm going crazy. Oh, itu ke? I think I should go to the door. Marilah. Belakang kot. Kita tu belakang boleh? Memang tak boleh. Itu belakang. Belakang. Tapi dia lock. Okay, jom lah ke depan. Hurry up buat. Hurry up buat. Nak pergi hari, sabar. Yes or no, boleh pilih ke? Aku nak try no. Tengok jadi apa, okay? Kan ada ending lain, so kita kena keluar juga. Jadi apa ni? Siapa nak interact? Okay. Apa kat belakang aku tak nampak. Okay, tak ada benda. Itu dia. Sudahlah. What's happening? Jadi apa guys? Dengarlah bunyi orang menjerit tadi kan? I would have preferred you scared lamb meat as this good. Wih, cannibal ke ni? Sudah. Ayo, mau lari mana? Sekali orang yang intercom kita tu sebenarnya. What have I done? Better die here. Boleh? Entah.
Hey, do you copy? We have received your call.
tu. Hello, help. Hello. Unknown. Or what? Tricks on me. Dengar. I hope they don't take long. So I don't want to be anyone's dinner. Yeah. Time will lepas faster. Okay, tak ada kot. Tak boleh kan? Kita tunggu. Okay. Aku rasa macam tak ready lah untuk kuatkan suara tu. Aku sukakan sikit lah. Sakit weh telinga. Ini pun tak boleh buka kan. Okay, tak nak go out. Dah. Nampak kau duduk lah kat situ. Duduk. Tunggulah ke pen keluar. Moment. Okay. I'm still alive. Pukul 3 pagi. Tak sangka pula lama game ni. Benda ni kena short horror je. Tak apalah kan. Tu dia. Ya Allah, betul aku. Itu depan. Tadi duduk belakang. Hello polis, tolong. Sekejap. Cuba elakkan. Itu apa?
Hey, stop right there.
We're the forest rangers. Got a call for help. Are you Hank?
Who's Hank? The driver? Something.
What do you mean? Hold up. Hands where I can see them.
Hold up, hand. What way?
Hey, man. Take a lead quick. Need backup. Don't move.
Okay. Something's out there. Bagi tak seru. Kau baca terkejut sikit.
I don't see anything.
Memang bagi buat nampak suara. Tu dia lah. Hasta la vista, baby.
What the fuck? Oh my god.
Macam aku terkejut. Okay. So ending dia aku tak tahu kita KO ke tak. Tapi gaya polis tu macam KO. Tapi habis dah. Alright. So that's all for this game. Okay. It ends not very well. So thank you so much for watching. Jumpa lagi. Bye bye.